Hey everyone, welcome back to Cali Resin and Stuff. My name is Terry. I am a resin artist. I do love crafting with resin, but I also love stuff. And the stuff I'm going to talk about today is how to make a money pizza. So if you watch some of my videos, you'll notice that there is a pattern. I always have some sort of inspiration behind the video. And for the money pizza, my nephew recently had a pizza party. I knew that my budget was between $20 and $25, and I didn't want to just stick $20 in a card or hand him $20. I remembered a photo that I had in my phone. I think I got it from Pinterest. It's been in my phone for about 6 years. And this was the perfect opportunity for me to try this project out. The challenge that I found was that because I wanted to give him a personal pan pizza size money pizza, all of the images that I saw, examples, the money, it was either, there were, the money was, the boxes were really, they were large, and it had a lot of bills. But this particular pizza has 8 bills. You can use whatever denomination you choose, you prefer. And it worked out really well. So I had 8 bills and some coins. And I used 2 5s, 6 1s, and about $2 in coins. So let me show you how I folded this very small pizza slice that fit in the 7-inch. It's a 7-inch in diameter pizza box. All right, so the first thing I did was took the bill, I folded it in half. So here we go. I folded it in half. And then, this is the end of the bill. So I folded it like this. And then I folded it the other way. And there was some excess, some extra hanging off like this. And I just folded it inward. And there you go. That's one pizza slice folded and created in about 20 seconds. So this is a really fast project. Let's just show you again. Fold it in again. Any extra, then you tuck. All right, so I'm going to tape these together and I'll be back. Okay, so the bills have been turned over and you can see the pattern there. It's like a little star there, but you can see the tape. I wouldn't use anything but tape. And don't press too hard. You don't want to rip the bill or damage it at all. But there it is, flipped over. So let me show you the pattern that we have. All right, so there's our pattern. Now it's time to add the toppings. All right, I've got some pre-torn and rolled tape pieces here. And we're just gonna add these toppings onto our pizza. Our pizza is done, and now it's time to place it in the box. I did see some personal pan pizza boxes on Amazon. They were 10 in a pack for about $13, but I only needed 1 box. So I went to my local pizza restaurant and asked for a box. Shout out to Mountain Mike's of Modesto, California. Thank you. So I gave that pizza box to my nephew, but I needed 1 more to recreate this project for you. I went to David's Pizza of Stockton, California, and I like this pizza box because it has a blank canvas. There's no writing or anything, and you can create a restaurant name, write some text, a phone number, a slogan. It's just a blank canvas, and you can get really creative with this. All right, and you can decorate the inside of the box, or you can put this on the outside. It says, here's a little dough. I used an index card. And this tissue paper is recycled from a gift that was given to me. I really like the pattern. Now this box is just a little larger than the pizza box that I have from Mountain Mike's. So this has to be about an 8-inch box or a 9-inch box. But the pizza fits well in it. And there's our personal pan pizza money pizza.